where it's going to be something like that, or maybe you want it to be more old school and it's kind of retro. And then you can also try, chunky, which is going to be something like that. Personally, boxed for me is what I like the most because it has this separation between each one, so it makes it easier to read and it makes it easier on the viewer as well. And then you can go ahead and you can add in these extra things. So if you want to show the moderation badges, if you're on Twitch, same thing with subs, turbo, all the way down. Now this may be a little bit different depending on where you're streaming. So this information here might be a little bit different for you. The background, I don't even touch. I just leave it as it is. And then you can have always show the messages and stuff like that. So we can leave all of that as it is. So if you go into the fonts, you can give it a font color. And then you can also give it the size. Now, do remember that this is something that you're going to have to adjust if you adjust the actual width and height of the box. Because what it will do is it will kind of make it a little bit smaller, so you're going to have to adjust that so it is going to be able to be read. So for chatters, if you want to hide commands, you can definitely do that. And same thing with muting a chatter. I'm assuming with the muted chatters, it's going to be something like not necessarily banned, but maybe timed out, or maybe certain bots and stuff that you don't want to be showing up in here. And then for source, if you ever need to refresh it due to some type of problems, like if it's just not displaying correctly, or if it's kind of lagging for you, you could try refreshing it and see if it works. So now that you kind of understand how that's all set up, let's go ahead and actually kind of mess with it a little bit. So we're going to leave it as it is, and then we're going to say done. So if I wanted to mess with this, what I'll do is I'll see if I can get the chat to actually let me do something. All right, so let me clear this up. And then let me see if it will work. Test. Alright, so as you can see here, it shows the name, shows what I typed, and it shows where I was streaming from. So it shows the mixer thing right there, right? Okay, so let's say you wanted it to be that small, but now you see how that is really tiny. So if we right-click on the source and we go to properties, we're going to go back to font settings, and we're going to increase the not the volume, but we're going to increase the font size. And as you can see now, the box is a little bit bigger, but you can actually read the text. You go back to font. So if you needed this to be a little bit longer now because these boxes take up more space, you can definitely do that. So let's make this height a little bit bigger, 1,000. But you can actually read this. Now the height is 1,000. So if you needed this to be a little bit and we're gonna hit done, and then we're gonna go ahead and more space. You can definitely do that. So let's make this height a little bit bigger, 1,000. But you can actually read this. Now the height is 1,000. So if you needed this to be a little bit and we're gonna do test again, and now I have all that extra space now, so more messages can come through. But now you're able to see that it's able to go into any box. Test again, and now I have all that extra space now, so more messages can come through. But now you're able to see that it's able to go into any box. Test again, and now I have all that extra space now, so more messages can come through. But now you're able to see that it's able to go into any box.
Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Hello. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Hello. Today we're going to discuss Medicare 101 and where we can find the different hot sheets for the different states. Hello. Today we're going to discuss Medicare 101 and where we can find the different hot sheets for the different states. Today we're going to discuss Medicare 101 and where we can find the different hot sheets for the different states. Today we're going to discuss Medicare 101 and where we can find the different hot sheets for the different states. Today we're going to discuss Medicare 101 and where we can find the different hot sheets for the different states. Today we're going to discuss Medicare 101 and where we can find the different hot sheets for the different states. Hello? Hello? Today we're going to be discussing how Medicare works and here with 2024 Aetna MAPD plans in Nevada. Today we're going to be discussing how Medicare works and here with 2024 Today we're going to be discussing how Medicare works and here with 2024 MAPD plans in Nevada. Today we're going to be discussing how Medicare works and here with 2024 Today we're going to be discussing how Medicare works and here with 2024 discussing how Medicare works and today we're going to be discussing how Medicare works and here with 2024 Today we're going to be discussing how Medicare works and here with 2024 discussing how Medicare works and today we're going to be discussing how Medicare works and here with 2024 Today we're going to be discussing how Medicare works here with 2024 discussing how Medicare works today we're going to be discussing how Medicare works and here with 2024 Today we're going to be discussing how Medicare works here with 2024 discussing how Medicare works today we're going to be discussing how Medicare works and here with 2024 Today we're going to be discussing how Medicare works here with 2024 discussing how Medicare works today we're going to be discussing how Medicare works and here with 2024 Today we're going to be discussing how Medicare Testing 1 2 3 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 1 2 3 testing 1 2 3 testing 1 2 3 testing 1 2 3 testing 1 2 3 1 2 3 testing 1 2 3 testing 1 2 3 testing 1 2 3 testing 1 2 3 1 2 3 testing 1 2 3 testing 1 2 3 testing 1 2 3 testing 1 2 3 1 2 3 testing At a glance, all plans include dental, eyewear, hearing aid, and OTC allowances. It includes $0 routine hearing and vision exams, post-discharge meals. At a glance, all plans include dental, eyewear, hearing aid, and OTC allowances. It includes $0 routine hearing and vision exams, post-discharge meals. At a glance, all plans include dental, eyewear, hearing aid, and OTC allowances. It includes $0 routine hearing and vision exams, post-discharge meals. At a glance, all plans include dental, eyewear, hearing aid, and OTC allowances. It includes $0 routine hearing and vision exams, post-discharge meals. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4. 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 Testing 1, 2, 3, 4.